Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to share a creamy lemon shrimp pasta in a white wine butter sauce recipe.
Christmas is coming, the snowflakes will be falling. It's the most wonderful time of year. So hang up your stocking, put the tinsel on the tree, because Christmas is coming, my dear. It's the only time of year the reindeer fly. You can see them on their sleigh ride across the sky.
Let's get cooking.
All your family round.
First, chop 2 cloves of garlic. Thinly slice half onion. And half red onion. Boil 100 grams of spaghetti for 8 minutes, or depending on how soft you want. Drain it well. Melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a pan on medium heat. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Cook the shrimps for 2 minutes each side. Meanwhile, boil 25 grams of blood clams for 2 minutes. Put in the blood clams. Remove and set aside. Now, sauté garlic, onion and red onion until fragrant. Add half cup of white wine. Cook it off for a while until thick and reduce. Add half cup of heavy cooking cream. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon zest. A pinch of salt and pepper. Add the shrimps and clams. Add the wedge cut lemon. And add the cooked spaghetti in. Stir it well and your creamy lemon shrimp pasta is ready to serve.
Time of year the reindeer fly. You can't see them on their sleigh ride across the sky. Gather all your friends around, or go out and paint the town. It's the
What should we cook next time? Please comment it below. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.